Okay guys, hopefully you will watch this video. I think I gave you a heads up in class today, but I just want to give you a heads up. We're going to have a surprise quiz tomorrow, so if you watch this video, you basically will get rewarded. What I want to do is go through the last part of the answers because I thought I didn't really spend enough time on those in class today. Remember, we got interrupted by our visitor. So anyways, here we go. Number 13. The thing I want you to remember, guys, is whenever you have a minus right there, you got to distribute that minus. Okay? So minus with a minus makes that plus V4. Minus with that 3 makes minus 3. And so all I'm going to do is simply take V4 and V4, which is 2V4, and minus 3 V3 is minus 6 V3. Pause the video if you need to. On 14, again, the minus with the 6 is minus 6. The minus with the minus 5 there is plus 5n. So let's see what we have here. I have a 5n4. I have 2n and plus 5n is 7n. And of course a minus 6. Notice when we add or subtract, guys, powers never change. We're just adding like terms. So the only number that changes are the numbers in front. We call those our coefficients. Pause the video if you need to. 15. Again, that minus with the minus 4 makes plus 4. The minus with the minus 3 makes plus 3a. So notice I now have a 5a plus a 3a, which is 8a. The 4 and negative 3 are regular numbers. That gives me a negative 1. Ooh, mistake. That gives me a positive 1. 4 minus 3 is positive 1. See, I almost made the same silly mistake that some of you guys make. Good thing I caught that. So pause the video if you need to. 16. Again, the minus with the 5x3 is minus 5x3. The minus with that minus 3 is plus 3. So guys, notice again what we did was we distributed the negative. We didn't use a box. We didn't try to multiply, right? So remember that. Okay, so finishing up this problem, guys. Notice I have a 3x3 there, minus 5x3s. That's a negative 2x3. I have a minus 8 with a plus 3, which is minus 5. I am done. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, on number 17, this one was a plus, right? Notice a plus there. So basically, guys, ignore the parentheses. So I have 4k squared plus 8k squared. That plus means nothing changes over here, okay? 4 plus 8 is 12k squared. Notice I have a minus k there, minus 5k there. That's minus 6k. I have a 4k4 there, plus 6 more k4s. That's a 10k4. I could rearrange it as 10k4 plus 12k squared minus 6k. See how I kept the powers in order? But you don't have to. The key thing I'm focusing on, guys, is the accuracy of your calculations. Alright? So pause the video if you need to. Finally, I'll make this the last one. Notice the minus with the 5 makes minus 5x3. The minus with the minus 7 makes plus 7. The minus with the 5x makes minus 5x. So I'm just going to add like terms here. I notice I have minus 7x3 there. I have a minus 5x3 there. Because they're both x3s, I'm going to put them together. Minus 12x3s. I have a 6x squared there. There's no other x squared, so it's 6x squared. I have an 8x there, minus 5x. 8 minus 5 is 3x. And the only thing left is that plus 7, right? And I'm done. So pause the video one last time if you need to. So guys, that's most of the ones on the back. And hopefully you understood how I distributed the minus on most of the problems. Notice how the powers never change when you add or subtract these like terms. Okay, so surprise quiz tomorrow on this, guys. So that's your heads up. See you tomorrow in class.